I'm so much better, like you never met me. I'm doing anything I want to. I'm going.
Let me know if you guys like the wig series. You know, I might actually do a color wig next. I don't know, we'll see. I have no idea what I'm doing, but this is fun. I washed this wig, haven't pre-plucked it yet. That's one thing that I do need to do. And yeah, let's just go ahead and lay this baby down.
Lakey inspired. Fight.
I'm actually really freaking nervous right now because I really like this wig and I want it to be perfect. So if you see me stressing out a little bit about the ear tabs, you know, don't worry, I'm okay.
Knockout. You win.
The ear tabs off and now I'm about to lay it down. I always get nervous during this part. I'm actually nervous during the whole entire thing, but you know, I like how I pretend like I know what I'm doing. So, and let me know what you guys think of this makeup look. I actually really like it. It's like very fall festivity, you know. Leave a comment down below if you guys want me to do a makeup tutorial to it. Okay, so let's do this. actually getting really freaking frustrated with my frontal because I accidentally went and put makeup on like the front part of my hair when you're just supposed to put it on like just the outs of it, so it looks like, you know, it blends in with your scalp or like your skin tone or whatever. Okay, so right now I'm just laying my frontal down. I'm actually gonna go ahead and straighten it later. Right now I'm just gonna actually go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Share this video with your friends. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.